Your boy stay putting in that work because you know a clean green room is a happy green room. And then that way I can go ahead and find me some spiders in case I got some spiders in here. This room likes to collect the spiders. But we do have some autos to show y'all. So shouts out to these autos. It's bright as fuck in here, huh? Like, man, why is it always green over there? Because it's the green light special over there. We be trained to go. So we got to stay in our element. But let's see what we got training to go right now. Yeah. We got some autos. We got some autos. That DG's growing nice. It's growing nice. I see you. Everything's growing though, so that's the good news. That one's sitting there chilling in the rocks. It's trying to be short and squat. Everything else is trying to get a little size to it. So yeah, let them do what they do, right? Y'all know to scroll up for Triple B's link in the replay. I already done dropped it for you, so you did. Y'all know to go check out the homie if y'all need to get y'all some genetics consultations. Get you a consult. You did consult with your boys. We got them for you. You know, these are those Blue Banner OG clones that we have in the green. Oh, it's actually intent one, not in the green room, because here's the green room. This is where we at right now. Shout out to the green room. We got them clones. I got that in the cloner too with some of them money tree cuttings. They might actually make it, but I'm not sure. Looking like they starting to get roots. And then we got some root development going on. So hell, I might have done clone the money tree. Shouts out to the money tree, because that's a good way to clone that then. Hell, I'll be coming out with more of those too. So yeah. We got this nice little inventory that we can sell when we go out. So shit, that's what we finna get on. Shout out to the getting it on, because that's what we're gonna be out doing it. In the streets moving. Like I said, if we don't get approved for this license like we should, because we could, you dig? Then we'll be moving on to the next phase of our business, which will be the consulting to the people that do get approved. Because guess what? They're going to need help getting their shit ready. And one thing we are prepared for is how to help other people in this industry with their monetization, because that's why we got the monetization coaching. You dig? I'm glad to see that those roots are actually popping out of there now, because I was wondering how long it was going to take for them. Because it's been in this cloner for like a couple weeks now, so. But they ain't died, so that was the first sign that they might make it. Shouts out to keeping yourself in the game to make it, right? Well, I'm here at the end of the game, and as a not being a hater to the main characters type of storyline I got going. Yeah, he blessed me one time. Shout out to the family. We appreciate that. We got these motherfuckers looking nice. I took some clones off of here, and did I secondarily top that, or what did I do to that? I fucked him up with the clones that are right there, I guess. But that's how that story goes. You dig? That happens. Hell, you was looking too good, so I had to cut you down. Had you looking like everybody else in the room. Not too big, not too shabby. What is that? That looks like a no-no. So that had to go. But this is actually why we finna clean up the green room, which I left my phone holder in there. So y'all already know what that means. Y'all gonna get that cup treatment for a minute. Y'all gonna get that cup treatment for a minute. Put y'all on that cup. You like that too? That solo cup challenge? Yeah. I challenge you to record a video from a solo cup. Hell. I guess that doesn't really suck because that's not too bad of a problem. So, for those who noticed, I am running airlines currently because I hadn't been running them. So, once again, your boy said, hey, we know when and how to step up our game. You dig? Put out a demonstration for me one time. Quit acting like I don't know how to grow. I just be seeing what I can get away with. Shouts out to being that informational gardener. Yeah, you got to get them informational garden moves in. Yeah, that's some of the